Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Outlook desktop shortcut for your PC. This is incredibly useful if you frequently use Outlook and want quick one-click access to your emails without having to search for the app every time. Let's get started and make your workflow much more efficient. First things first, open your Microsoft Outlook app. You'll want to log into your account and let it fully load so all your emails are visible. This initial step ensures that Outlook is properly installed and functioning on your system before we proceed to create the shortcut. Give it a moment to sync and display everything correctly. Once your emails have loaded and everything looks good, we can begin the process of creating that desktop shortcut. To do this, you'll need to access your files and folders to locate your Microsoft Outlook folder. Now, assuming you have the default installation, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of finding your Microsoft Outlook application step by step, so don't worry if you're not sure where it's located. Start by navigating to your C drive. This is typically where all your program files are stored. Once you're in the C drive, click on Program Files. This folder contains all the applications installed on your computer. Next, you'll want to open the Microsoft Office folder. This is where all your Office applications, including Outlook, are housed together. From here, open the root folder. Inside the root folder, look for the Office 16 folder and open it. The number might vary slightly depending on your Office version, but for most modern installations, it's labeled Office 16. This folder contains all the executable files for your Office apps. Now simply locate the Outlook application within this folder. It should be labeled clearly as Outlook or have the Outlook icon next to it. Once you've found it, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this context menu, hover your cursor over the option that says Send To. When you do this, an additional menu will appear on the side showing more options. From these additional options, select Desktop, which is followed by Create Shortcut in parentheses. As soon as you click this option, an Outlook desktop shortcut will be generated instantly and placed right on your desktop. You'll see it appear immediately, ready for you to use. And there you have it. You've successfully created an Outlook desktop shortcut on your PC, giving you instant access to your emails whenever you need them. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.